Did you know that experts predict AI-powered businesses could generate over $100 billion in passive income by 2025? That's right. AI is creating new millionaires every day, even while they sleep. Welcome. I'm Amanda, and today we're diving into the world of AI passive income. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned entrepreneur, you'll discover how artificial intelligence can help you make money on autopilot. Let's face it, traditional jobs often mean long hours, limited pay, and little freedom. Most people struggle to get ahead, feeling stuck in the 9-to-5 grind. Inflation eats away at savings, and job security isn't what it used to be. Many dream of earning more, but don't know where to start. That's where AI comes in. With the right tools, you can build income streams that work for you, not the other way around. Here's the secret. Start small and pick one AI tool that excites you. Play, learn, and be consistent. Success builds with regular effort. Stay curious. AI evolves fast, so keep learning and adapting. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Just get started. Share your ideas, join communities, and take that first step. Passive income is possible for anyone willing to try. Your future self will thank you. It's a yes from me. Take Sarah, a teacher who felt stuck financially. She discovered AI art tools, started creating whimsical images, and opened an Etsy shop using print on demand. At first, sales were slow, but she kept uploading new designs. One design went viral, orders poured in. Within a year, her side hustle out-earned her teaching salary. The income was nearly passive. AI made the art, the company shipped it. Sarah finally had the freedom to travel and work less. You don't need to be a tech wizard. Just start with a good idea and a little courage. Pause. Meet your new AI business partners, tools that do the heavy lifting. AI content creators like Jasper or Copy.ai write blogs, ebooks, and social posts in seconds. Sell them or use them to build ad revenue. AI art generators like Midjourney or DALL-E create unique images you can sell on t-shirts, mugs, or posters. No art skills needed. Print-on-demand services handle production and shipping. You collect profits. AI trading bots like P-on-X or 3Commas trade stocks or crypto for you, analyzing markets 24/7. Want to go bigger? Use platforms like VoiceFlow to build AI chatbots for businesses. Charge a monthly fee for recurring income. You don't need to code or be a tech expert. The possibilities are endless and growing every day. Let AI handle the wealth while you enjoy the rewards. This is passive income supercharged. Pause. The 9-to-5 grind is exhausting and limiting. Your income is capped, your time isn't your own, and job security is a thing of the past. Relying on one paycheck is risky. Companies change. Tech replaces jobs. AI offers a smarter way. Build systems that make money for you, not just from one source, but many. It's not about quitting your job overnight. It's about building a safety net and real freedom. Why stay stuck when you can break free? Imagine earning money while you sleep, travel, or binge watch your favorite show. Sounds unreal? It's not. Thanks to artificial intelligence, AI is transforming how people make money right now in 2025. With AI, you can set up income streams that work for you 24/7. This is called passive income. Do the work once, get paid again and again. No more trading time for money or worrying about bills. Passive income means freedom. More time for what you love. Less stress. The real game changer? AI makes it easy for anyone to start. No tech skills or big investment needed. These tools can write, design, invest, and sell for you. It's not just an opportunity, it's a revolution in how we think about work and money. Ready to press your golden buzzer? To sum up, AI is opening doors to passive income like never before. With a little effort and the right mindset, you can create financial freedom and enjoy more of what you love. If you found this video helpful, hit subscribe. Leave a comment about your AI income journey and check out my next video for more money-making strategies. Your future self will thank you.